So I would say from a new product introduction or NPI, I believe that ETQ has helped us do that because we have phases of hardware development, phases of software development. So being able to identify issues early in that development lifecycle have really helped us to accelerate our time to market. I think we were probably back in 2016, 2017, maybe took us 2 years, 2.5 years to produce a new cabinet. We're doing that now in a year.
So how can we get our products faster to market? So this is interesting because how we use ETQ Reliance product. I mentioned already the supplier qualification module. So that's something which already is helping to kind of really streamline the onboarding of the supplier, and meaning, if you onboard your supplier faster with more efficient, process, that means that you can start using the supplier faster, their materials faster, hence you can produce the product faster. The other recently developed module is line trial management. And again, this is module which we built on one of the workflows, but it has our spin on it. And this is really helping because these are basically all different line trial types we have at Mars, and this is again streamlining how we do line trials, learning from other line trials, and it will be speeding for basically releasing the product for the market.
In the design phase, we have implemented phase gate reviews. Phase gates are different stages of product releases. When a product is supposed to hit market, it goes through several of approvals, which is definitely required, as well as mandatory regulations. So we build this module using ETQ, which helps us fast forward the approvals and also have everything in an electronic system for quicker audit purposes as well as reviews.
We created a quality planning module with the help of ETQ resources, and that enables us to do our advanced quality planning. And that assists us with that market, especially our market product launches, especially in our North American facilities. So it's through that module, it's allowed us that ability.